Hey everyone, what's going on? Just down here in my office. Today I'm working on one of my rock bouncers. I snapped the cage, and right now I got clips holding the mount. About to go outside in the garage. I got a little stick welder. Figure I could weld it up. I'm not the greatest welder. I will say I'm a messy welder. So I'm going to try to keep it clean. It's a little stick welder I'm using. And grind it down, the welds, and try to make it look decent. But I got to get it fixed. And I'm going to try to do it without it looking bad. So let me cut to out in the garage. And we'll pick up from this. Alright, back in the office. I was out there, finished rough grinding and welding the broken tab on my cage. Now I gotta clean the weld, get ready for some touch-up paint. Like I said, it's not the prettiest weld job ever, but after the grinding and the paint, it won't look too bad. And I'm just using a cheap little 70 amp or 90. It switches between 70 and 90 amp stick welder. But it does the job. It's on there. It's strong. It ain't going nowhere. And then get some of the blue. Just Tester's model paint. Get it shooken up. Not yet. Oh. Good enough. Just because it's on a cage, I'm just using a regular Q-tip, like a normal cleaning one. I used to buy paintbrushes, but I was going through them too quick for touch-ups and stuff like that. Even when I cleaned them and put them back, they just didn't work the same. And for what I'm doing, and I need a thick coat, the Q-tip works great. While I was grinding, I did grind this tab down a little further than I wanted to, but it'll be alright. One thing I would like to learn how to do is build cages. I'll need a much better welder. Because, like I said, the welder I got out there, that's good for, fixing easy little things. But as far as having, like, precision clean welds, not so much. Alright. Just about done here. Without the pan, all the links just flopping around. All right, let me. Here's a quick look at it. Get it in the light. Like I said, it doesn't look too bad. So now my bouncer, I can start rebuilding it, getting it back together. I'll include a picture of what it looks like when it's all back together, but you guys have a good one. I'm going to get back to finishing this. See ya.